Hi, my name is Angus Ho with Daddy Dad, a part of the Ash Management Group. I want to show how you can budget as a full-time engineer, make real estate investments, and live an exceptional family life as a dad. So come along with me in this journey of wealth. Welcome back, YouTube. I have another important topic for you today. Before I begin, make sure you smash that like button if you haven't already done so. Me and my wife are expecting our firstborn in August. It is coming soon, and we talk frequently about budgeting for our first baby. It's such an exciting time! I think about how I want to raise my kids up all the time and give them everything that I didn't get as I was a kid. I even want to buy all the wants like Lego and toys and even dolls and Batman figures. Reality sets in quickly as we look at our budget and wallets, as we determine that maybe we can't buy all our wants. We talk to our parents constantly about parenting, and they keep telling us that half the things that we're talking about, they never got us. With that being said, maybe it's time to reevaluate what we really need for the baby and what we really want for the kid. If you want to hear more topics about budgeting, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Comment below what you think you should budget for a baby. Afterwards, let's compare. If you haven't smashed that like button yet, make sure you do so. This is the second strike. The third one is coming up. Ha! I was just kidding. There is no third strike coming up. Please continue watching this video. Before we go into our budget, I want to share with you a few articles that we went through to see what kind of budget we should have. Many articles that we went through had a low end of what each item costs and a high end. I tallied all the costs of all the items, and now I want to share with you what they are. Later on in the video, I'll tell you how much we purchased each item for and how we compare with the ranges given in the articles. Let's get started with the crib. We searched far and wide for many cribs. You can get a second-hand crib on Kijiji for a very cheap price. I've seen ones that are even free. On the other hand, I've seen one as expensive as $2,500. Look at this one. It's modern, BPA free. It's made out of birch and walnut. I wonder if the baby will remember living in luxury. Crib linens, $20. Crib mattress, $100 to $200. A change table can range from $200 to $400. A rocker for feeding the baby can be up to $300. Car seat and stroller can range from $450 to $3,400. There are so many car seats out there. All kinds of prices, all kinds of sizes for safety. Car seats and strollers now come in a package now so that you can more easily transfer the baby between the car and the stroller. Check out this car seat. It's a self-installing car seat. Holy guacamole! This car seat will set you back $499, and it doesn't even come with a stroller. Too bad it's been recalled though. There was a problem with the locking mechanism between the carrier and the car seat. A bathtub can range anywhere between $20 to $40. Baby proofing like electrical outlet guards, doorknob guards, and kitchen guards will cost about $20. A grooming kit for the baby can cost anywhere between $10 and $20. A diaper bag can cost around $20 to $85. I couldn't believe it when I heard about diaper bags and how debated this topic was. I think moms are very passionate about their bags, and therefore there are so many choices out there. When it comes to diaper bags, I leave it to the experts. For me, a diaper bag can be just as cheap as a $5 Walmart backpack that's not even called a diaper bag. On the other hand, I found this Burberry for kids diaper bag for $1,829. Sorry ladies, this is not my cup of tea, but the brand I know is great. A breast pump can cost anywhere between $100 and $200. Bibs are about $5. Play yard and bassinet can range from $100 to $350. Baby monitors can cost around $200. I'm an engineer and I know I love my tech. Today, smartwatches are so cool. It can monitor your heart rate and your temperature, and it analyzes how well you're doing with your fitness. I love buying technology, so when I heard about the Owlet Smart Sock 2 baby monitor, I definitely had to do my research. Keep watching to find out if I actually bought it. Make sure you comment below on how much you spent on each of these items. If you want to hear more budgeting tips, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Alright, let's get back at it and add everything up. The total budget range you should be expecting before giving birth is $1,595 to $7,740. Are you ready to hear what we spent on our first baby? Let's get right to it. On a crib, we spent $25 after discounts from Best Buy. Crib linens, we spent $50. Baby mattress, we spent about $50 from Walmart. For a change table, we spent $187 from IKEA. Make sure you wait for the baby event. For a rocker, we did not spend any money. Instead, we're using a chair that was around the house instead. Car seat and stroller, we spent about $350 from Best Buy. A bathtub, we spent about $35 using a coupon, and it is a pretty decent bathtub. Baby proofing, we spent about $13 using a coupon. We did not spend any money on a grooming kit. We did decide to use a backpack instead of a diaper bag, so we spent no money on that. For the breast pump, we decided to borrow from a friend and spent no money. Make sure you clean it with boiling water. Bibs, we spent about $6 using a coupon. Play yard and bassinet, we purchased it from Amazon for about $100. Baby monitor, we purchased it from Best Buy during Boxing Day for $125. In total, wait for it.
Wait for it. Wait for it.
We spent $891. Amazing! Tell me what you think about our budget, and if you have any questions on how we got it for so cheap, leave a comment in the comment section below. Do I have to tell you guys again? I'll do it anyways. If you haven't done it yet, make sure you smash that like button, and for more budgeting tips, please smash that subscribe button. Moving on to the next topic, how much are we budgeting for afterbirth? We wanted to create a budget for afterbirth as well so that we can integrate it with our income. Anything that wasn't spent from our last budget will be rolled over into the afterbirth budget. That means things like the diaper bag, if we decided that we do need it, we will have that money. In the before birth budget, we decided to do a lump sum amount of money into our budget so that we can go ahead and purchase everything. However, after birth, we decided to go on a monthly reoccurring budget so that we can keep purchasing for food and clothes. Once again, I want to go over the low end and the high end of what many articles have said about budgeting for a baby. Then, afterwards, I will tell you how much we decided to budget and spend on each item. Let's get started. For medical bills, it could be between $50 to $2,100 depending on what country you live, what state you live in, and what province you live in. A nursing pillow can be $30 to $60. A nursing cover can be $15 to $40. Milk bottles can be anywhere between $5 to $15. Formula on average can be free if you decide to go breastfeeding, or if you want to use formula, it can cost anywhere between $1,140 to $3,780. A high chair can cost anywhere between $85 to $400. Baby cereal can cost $20. Diapers will cost around $45 per month. Diaper cream can cost around $2 per month. Baby soap can cost up to $6 per month. Clothing on average may cost $76 per month. In total, it can cost anywhere between $1,345 to $6,415 and about $84 per month. So moving on, this is what we anticipate that we'll be paying after birth and on a monthly basis. Medical bills around $100. In Canada, the public health system pays for most of your hospitalization fees. It is a really great benefit to have, especially in times like these. If we decide to share a room, it would not cost anything. However, the premium we pay to get a private room and the convenience, we decided to just go with it. For a nursing pillow, we decided not to buy one and use regular pillows instead. For nursing covers, we decided to use the linens from either a bib or other receiving linens that we have received. For bottles, we received a lot of samples from companies, so we decided to use those. For formula, we decided to breastfeed and use the samples of formula if we need to. We have not purchased a high chair. For baby cereal, we are also deciding to use the samples. For diapers, Amazon has a really great save and subscribe option, which will cost around $60 per month. Diaper cream, we're allocating about $1 per month. This is the same for baby soap, $1 per month. For clothing, we are allocating about $10 per month. In total, wait for it!
Wait for it. Wait for it.
We're gonna spend about $100 and approximately $72 per month. If you like to hear more budgeting, engineering, or real estate tips, please leave a comment for what you want to hear. Smash that like button, subscribe button, and be sure to hit that notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I post new videos every week on Sundays. From the Ash Management Group, this is Daddy Dad, saving you money.